National Teachers College or NTC, basic aspects such as political education, major in English, qualification pathways. He has received a number of awards and distinctions. Leadership in 2016. He was a global patriot. In 2020, he led the MTC team that won the Ayala Innovation Award for advancing distance graduate teacher education. Recently, his research team was awarded international research high and high government recognitions with the British Council in Manila in quality assurance in international higher education, as well as the Department of Technical Review on Technical Learning. He assures thought leadership and response to the demands of
isang mapagpala at mapagpalalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Batiin niyo po yung katabi niyo sa kaliwa o sa harap niyo, sabihin niyo, maganda ka pa sa umaga.